I have broken wire in this D subconnector 25 pin female connector. It is matrix connector, male and female pair. This wire is broken from here. Let's see how to recover it. First we need to analyze either it is soldering connector or crimping connector. It is 20 gauge crimping connector. You can use 20 gauge insert extract tool, metal type. This tool is preferred for this crimpable connectors. You can also use this plastic type extract tool, but the best one for these connectors is this metal type. We will remove this pin from here. If it is solder type, then we can fix it easily, because here is piece of wire. Clear it. Carefully insert this white tool, that is extractor side, around the pin. Push this pin with any pin or anything. So this pin is out. Now we have two options. Because it is crimpable pin, if we don't have this pin, might be you can find a free pin in the same connector, same as it is here. It is not used pin. We can use this spare pin in place of that. Or if we want to recover the same one, we can solder the wire. Now we have this contact pin. This one is old one and this one is new one. If we have new one, now you can crimp the wire. You can use AF8 crimping tool by placing proper turret head. Lock it, locked it, insert the pin, insert the wire, crimp it. But now I will not use crimping tool. If you have same matrix connector with spare pins, you can use these pins. With the same color code, female pins. This time I will not use crimping tool, I will use solder practice on this spare contact pin. Let's suppose I don't have crimping tool. Don't apply too much solder, otherwise the pin will not lock in the connector lock. If there is any extra solder, remove it. Now I will use insert tool to insert the pin in the connector. So this is one solution. Second solution, you can use crimping tool. That is the proper way. Third, we can replace complete connector, that is crimpable connector, or we can use soldering connector, the same 25 pin that is easily available in electronic stores. These tools are available on Amazon with these part numbers. Amazon, DigiKey. Same tool will be used for this connector, that is male connector. So this is a very useful tool for servicing these connectors. Thanks for watching.